Okay, so today we gonna try out a food or waste disposal cleaner for your sink, and it's actually pretty easy to do. You take one of these pouches or tablets and then you pour some hot water into your sink, just a small stream for at least 1 minute, and after you did that you can actually put that pouch into your food or waste disposal, and then you turn it off for a minute, and then it's getting foamy and hopefully it's getting cleaned.